Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love unboxings. This is my icon box for August. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. And if you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy icon box, this is a quarterly makeup subscription box. $58 quarterly, and you're supposed to get 8 full-size products. This is one of my favorite boxes across any box that I've ever received, so I'm really excited to get it. And with each icon box, there is a curator, and this time around it is Vanessa Hudgens. You will also receive a little pamphlet with all of your pertinent deets, information, pricing, things like that. So right on top, I have something that fell out, and I think it's okay, hopefully, yes. This is the non-gender specific phytonutrient concentrate, and I actually got one of these in my PR Ipsy, and guess what? I love it. I've been using it every single day, and it is a very light oil. It's kind of a mid-ground. It's not super liquidy and very like soft serum-y oily, but it's not incredibly thick, so I love it. It smells really nice. It's very light on the skin. It goes straight into the skin. I've really been enjoying this, so I'm happy to have it. Next up is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that has the two mascaras in one, a volume and a curl and length one. Next up, hold on please, Kate Somerville KX Actives Concentrate Bio-Mimicking Peptides. I've used quite a few products from Kate Somerville, and I think that they do skincare very, very well. Next up is a Too Faced That's My Jam On The Fly eyeshadow palette. And I will show you what it looks like, of course. I love the cute little tins. I wish they did all of their packaging this way. And it is a beautiful kind of more warm tone leaning neutral palette with pops of purple. And if you do have brown eyes, then you know brown eyes and purples, match made in heaven. I think this is super cute. I think it would be great for travel as well. Next up is the Volition Neruli Complete Cream with vitamin C and vegan collagen. So definitely leaning a little more skincare heavy, but we have a few things left in here. We have a Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow highlighter. Cool, I did not even know that they had these. That's pretty cool, and this is the shade Champagne Glow. I also want to see what this looks like. I actually do not like the Maracuja Juicy Lips. I think that they're like kind of too thin, and as soon as you press with any type of hardness at all, they go all over the place. They're really, I don't know, they're messy. I don't like them. But click it up. I think this is a product that I would use. I will swatch it for you guys. Oh, very pretty. Incredibly creamy as well. Should we try some? I already have plenty of makeup on, but hey. And these kind of products, I think I'm just going to take it from my hand, kind of warm it up a little bit, and then I'll go in with my finger, or I will go in with a dense brush for these types of products. Alright, that's pretty. I can't really see it because I had product on. And it feels creamy but not oily. I do not like the ones that kind of have a weird like oily slip to them. Those are not my favorite. So I'll see if this kind of sets down. If it does, I will like it and I will use it up. If it does not, it is not for me. Also, just to forewarn you, do not click up more than you know you're going to use because you cannot click these back. That's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Let me wipe my hand real quick. Alright, next up is an Il Makiage Lip Service High Shine Lip Glaze in the shade Power Play. And it feels nice and heavy, nice and luxe. I think that they have beautiful packaging. Like you can tell that it is a luxe product. Like this is heavy, you guys. And I actually think this would be a shade that I would use too. It's like a beautiful nudie shade. I feel like it's sweet smelling. I might add some on top of my little like lip shine. Right now I'm wearing the Lawless lip gloss. Let me wipe this off and we'll test this out as well. Ooh, pretty. It actually goes really well with what I'm wearing today too. It's quite thin, very comfortable. I love this color. It is nice and shiny. It doesn't feel super heavy, but it has some grip to it, so I think it would last a long time. And that packaging, I cannot get enough of their packaging. Their packaging is outstanding. And it kind of feels a little bit minty. I like that. And then last but not least is the Charged Jewelry with a Story, the Pearl Huggy Hoops earrings. And I most likely would not wear them with the little pearl part of it. I would take that off and just wear it as hoops like I normally do. So I'm excited about that. I actually, when I first started, I thought, okay, this is going to be all skincare and I was going to be just a little bit perturbed. But we got a pair of earrings, we got a couple of skincare products, we got a mascara, we got a palette, we got a highlight and a lip. So almost kind of building a full face aside from your complexion products. I like that. And that highlight is setting down, so I do think that I would use that. That's really, really beautiful. Cool. I'm excited. What did you think of this month? I definitely think that August has been a much better month than July. What do you guys think? July was just, it was an off month. They had an off month. We're all allowed to do that, you guys. I love this box overall. There are several products in here that I know that I'm going to use, and it's not always the case with the boxes like this. So I'm excited about it. I think it's a great blend of things. I think it's a beautifully curated collection. What did you get? What are you hoping to get? Let's have that conversation down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.